They have a bunch of interesting stuff there.
First, we do hike. On our way to Tonka State Park.
In a half mile, you will arrive at your destination.
We're going on the castle ruins. The castle. He wants to see
this one's all destroyed.
Yep, ruins means destroyed. All destroyed. Poor castle. Limited.
I think we have. There's parking up here.
We're here. This is where we parked last time lang. Oh, there's a lot of parking. It's not very busy. Here na mi guys. Yan na ang Ezekiel. Yan na ang mga daddy.
Red oaks, sugar maples, pawpaw trees.
Oh,
Deer, squirrels.
Yep.
Come on.
That very nice. Go there. Go, daddy, fast. That nice. Okay. Shh, quiet. The sound of birds. Go there fast. Yeah, it's nice. Be careful. Whoa. Yan. The nice Ezekiel. Go up, 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 up. Look at here, guys. Guys. Come on. Let's go to the castle. What was that? What's big? Big castle. Let's go. Let's go to the castle. Big castle. Wow. Let's go. Daddy and brother is far now. Mommy and Ezekiel are too slow. Too slow. Yan guys, oh. Almost there. Run. Huh? What? Careful. You tired? Almost there to the castle. Almost there. You did good job walking. Yep. Yan siya guys, oh. Yan. Marami siyang steps. Yan kami. Yan. Yan naman yung castle.
Come on, Matthias. Smile.
Hello, say hi. Hi. Say hi, Ezekiel. Hi.
Yeah, let's go. You gotta keep moving. Keep moving.
Hi. Ay, nako. Run, run, run. in that castle. Not panig the castle, love, no? Yan oh. Yan oh. Ay. Sipon na. Sipon na sa katugnaw. Maganda pala yung video pag going down, oh. Gawas ang sipon.
Now go to the left. And then we'll come back and have a little warm up in the car.
Warm up, warm up, warm up.
Unless it starts warming up itself.
Really nice path. Matthias, look at here. Hello. Hello. That's a really nice path. Walk, walk, walk. Hi, Ezekiel. Ezekiel. Wala na pansin. Deadma si mother, deadma. Yan o. So here, the other side, guys, is the actual castle, the ruins. Because those birds chirping. Hi, Ezekiel. Animal is yun. Yeah. There. Yan. Yan sa likod namin na kaan. Yan. This way to spring. Trail close ahead.
That means so usually you can go down and
Hi, Ezekiel, be careful.
hold my hands.
Hold my hands, Matthias. You and mommy are partners. Partners. Partners.
Although we might need to take
But you're doing slowpoke.
Matthias said to me, slowpoke ako. Look at the trail, Matthias. That's the trail down. You see it?
Yes.
That's where we go.
Go.
Yep. Trail, trail, trail to the spring. Trail. Here's my buddy. Hi, buddy.
Hello.
Let's move in. Keep moving, mother. Look at guys. Nandoon na ang daddy. Far na. And then, there's a lot more steps going down that way. That way. More steps to go. What's that, guys? It's so deep. Yes, oh, dagan-dagan na. Hello. Formation of rocks, lab. Pretty cool.
Don't get too far ahead.
Here we go. Watch out for the steps, cause other is gone na. Rati na ang road.
Up, around,
Yep.
down, and then it normally goes across.
Look at the cool rock formation, guys. Look. Hi, guys. Look. Over here. Guys, take a picture. Just do like that, Daddy. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, we don't see Matthias. Because you block him. Hi.
Hi.
Yep. Pit stop a little bit.
What's up this way? Hi.
Hi. Good job, Matthias. Okay, hi ang Matthias.
Hi. 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 Hi.
The cool rock.
Hi.
Silly boy. Go step your hand so Mama take a picture. Now let's go up. You watch out your steps. Yeah, if you're on the video guys, don't risk your life. You need to watch out your steps. Because the other, it's like rotten wood na. Yep, don't risk your life just to do video. Yeah, dyan yung lake. Watch out. Yan. So that's close, anak. So that's there. Instead the path going down, you could go now. They close it. So this is the last stop for that thing. Look at those guys.
No. The water's flowing that way, yeah?
Oi!
Where's it coming from?
So there's the path, guys. So it should be going down. But they close it for now because it's under construction.
See?
So that's their new thing, lab, no? That's the under construction thing.
Coming out.
Yeah. They're poison.
No, that's fresh water.
Yeah, that's the new
Fresh
thing.
spray, water spray.
Yeah. The black here. Because nag-build sila og new path. That's why who's the one who would come here in Tonka? Better not to risk your life. Just to do video, you need to watch out your steps. Because the other wood, it looks like rotten.
Yeah, they're replacing some of the path.
Yep. Wanna go up? Go up, love.
Very wet.
Yep.
There's lots of water around.
Yep.
There'll be like a
Oh, that
little
one.
waterfall.
Yeah,
coming
that's
off
gonna
those
be
rocks.
nice, huh?
You can tell even now, it's all dripping from above.
Yep. That's why it makes it beautiful in there, lab, ha? It's like there's waterfall. Yeah, lab? Good workout! Up na, guys. Up. Watch out the steps. Let's go. Yeah. Hey! 1, 2, 3.
Come on, boys.
Let's go. Pabalik sa misa. Car. Lagi panghangak na. Oh. Ang path. Going on the car. La. Up. Oh, it's rotten ba yung wood? Sigara-gara. Oh, that's why you need to watch out. Watch out. Ay basin na. Makulaps ang wood. So better watch out. Run! Yeah. Oh, look at that.
There. Stop. Look, eagle. Up. Look.
Take far. Guys. Yan. Ayan si Batuta. Batuta. Ay. Diyan na yung ano. Yan. Pabalik na. That's where we go, guys. So if you see that path,
You want to climb me?
that path, that's where the rocks. That one.
You ready to head to the car?
Yeah.
Let's go then.
So we're pretty far back here because we go all the way right there, and that one. So that's where we park. See, we will rest a little bit. Rest a little bit. Oh, look, that's pretty.
That's a pretty.
The pretty. Kauwi na akong anak ko eh. Oh.
The woodpecker. See it poking at the wood? The beak? Poke, poke, poke. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Look at that. Woodpecker. Using his or her beak. Poke, poke, poke the wood. Kaon pang isa. Continue our adventure. Nagpakita na si Haring Araw. Come on, Ezekiel. Kaon siya beef stick. Yeah. Hayag na ni hayag na. Gawas na si Haring Araw. Yan mo. Ito yung kabilang side. Ito yung castle ruins. Here. Yun. It's this way to castle. That way. I'm gonna walk. Maybe na mama. Hi, Ezekiel. You can pull up your beef stick, love. Look at it. It's like he's eating now his gloves. Daddy will seek Tias. There's observatory area. Yan. You can sit here. Hanging out. You can see in here.
Looks like
There's
a tree, huh?
glass. So it's safe for kids. Just to see the lake. And, what's that yellow thing, love?
So they have the river a little blocked so that they can do construction on it.
Come on. Come on. Yay. That's a castle. Come on. Let's go. Nawala ko ng gamang tiil. Gamang tiil. Na si Daddy. Wow, look at Daddy and Matthias. They're running too. Let's go. Run. Run. Ah. Yeah. Run. Tugnaw gihapon oy kasi ang hangin. Tugnaw. Yay. Man. Run, siya run. 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 You tired? Tired? Reklamo na rin. Gawas pang dila. Bukod na tango. That's your shadow.
Shadow. That shadow.
That's your shadow.
Shadow like this.
Bigger than you. So that's the ruin, guys. You can't go near that castle. Do not enter castle. Do not climb. Do not climb on rock walls. Daddy is in there. Hi, Ezekiel. Yeah? Daddy's right over here. Look. Mommy's over here. He's trying to find his daddy. Daddy and Matthias. Ezekiel kay hello guys. Tapos na ay doha ka babae. Naglakaw. So that's it guys. Oh. So yan yung ruins. Yan. Yan. Yan si bata. Get yung beef stick. Yan. Yan. Yung other side niya. Come on Ezekiel. Yan si bata. Bata batuts. Yan. So yan yung other side niya guys. Oh. Daddy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Go. You want to go run with Daddy? Go run. Go run. Daddy, he said, Daddy, where are you? Let's race.
Oh, good idea. Yeah. Like that. Hi, habang batuta. Yan. Yan. Yan yung castle. Yan yung castle ruins. Ang buhok ni Mother. Kalkagers. Kalkag. Ezekiel had picture already.
Let's go up to the castle now.
Guys, oh.
When I was younger, they didn't have all this blocked off.
Yeah. Oh, really? You could go closer?
Well, you couldn't even climb in there when you were
Oh, really?
8 years ago, I guess.
Hi, Ezekiel. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Matthias. Yan, oh.
No.
Yan.
Matthias. Hot.
Dragon fire. Dragon fire.
Come on.
Let's cool it down.
Uy, Matthias, don't say running again.
Then let's go down this way to the lake trail.
Uy, because at here, picture. Picture na po.
There's no picture. Come on, love. Wait. Over here. Come on, Daddy. So this is what happens when it's picture time. Come on, love. This is even going on. I'm not on the Go here a little bit, I think. Here. Come on here. Hi, say hi. Hi. Go. Little please. Say, I like the parts. Yay. Okay. Tapos ang tutorial. Ay, nako. A lot of struggle when it's picture time.
We go down here. Oh. Lake trail.
Otherwise, we could go on the quarry trail that could take. Or we could go on that one. Take an hour.
You're right there. Hoy, my hair. Wait, love.
What you saying?
The green the quarry
Yan, oh.
trail.
Walking. Ang Team Chaulklin'S. Walking. Walking ang baby ni Mother.
I thought tree is easy for me.
Yeah? Buhok ni Mother, kalkagers. Come on.
Look, some trees, little.
Yeah? Walking. Careful, maybe slippery. I don't know where this. And a little bit muddy in here. Little bits. You need to watch out your step. Watch out. Hindi magdinanghag manang. Watch out your steps, guys. Buhok namin, oh. This is the trail near to the lake. Trail, trail, trail. Kabayo na ang is. Yeah. Hey! Oh, there's birds. Bluebird. Oh, there's a lot of birds. Look at that. Look, it's over there. Oh, that bluebird. Right there. What's that?
These are all woodpeckers.
There's a lot of woodpecker, huh?
There's a real big one on
Wow.
here. I think.
Because there's a lot, because maybe it's a woody here. Lot woods. Over there. That guys. It's peaceful.
Sometimes red heads. Those are all woodpeckers. That's the type of bird.
This little, what's this here? Little pond. Ducks would be happy in there. Yep. If there's ducks, ducks would be happy swimming in there. That bird's here ba?
There.
What you get?
There, look. No, look.
Sige na, go na. Watch out your steps, Matthias. It's rocky, 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 rocky. It's over here. It's more dry. It's more dry.
Look, I can really kill it.
Wow. Wow. Boy.
There. Ready. Oh, what? Something harder, like this tree.
Yeah? No. Bata. Yan na yung natapos naming lakarin. Tapos na grabing exercise ni Manang. Pag uli siguro ni Hagoks. Hagoks na.
Go down.
Yan oh. You need to watch out your step. Watch out, watch out. It's gonna be rocky in there.
Come on, Ezekiel.
What are you doing?
Hold on, you'll be on my shoulder soon.
Yep.
It would make your life a little easier.
Rocky. Rocky, rocky, rocky. You guys watch out your steps. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Yes po. I go to the finish line. That's our step. Huh? Red what? Echo! Echo! Nag-iingay ang Team Chaulklin'S sa kagubatan.
Which one is easy to stand on? This one?
This is very rootsy here. Rootsy path. But yes, be careful. Roots.
Oh, watch out, Mike.
Might trip on you later.
The other tree, it's... Look, but that's its mom. And it might beat you up for hurting it.
Yep.
Dead.
Yeah. So it's shown now that we're near in the lake.
The tree got tried to get you. Didn't you feel it in your feet?
Hello? Saan na dyan? Yan na. Malapit na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Yan. Yan.
Dead. Dead.
This one, Matthias is enjoying
What?
pamiang sa... Oh, there's ducks, guys. Look. The goose. Little geese. So here, this is yung observatory part.
A tea tree?
Observatory area. Man, Matthias, there's goose here. Look at those geese, love. When they saw us, it's like, oh, we're getting away with these crazy peeps. No swimming in duck area. Boats over 24 feet do not moor to ducks. Fall. Ezekiel's like dancing. He go like this. Tit, 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 tit.
Nope, getting bigger. Don't step in the water. You gotta long walk back up.
Yep. So yan na yun, guys. Doon kami sa top earlier. Dito kami sa baba now.
Okay,
Let's go!
let's go back up the path.
Okay, that's all our walking.
Guys, I'm ahead of them. Let's see. I'm hiding in this big tree. Ezekiel's trying to find where mommy go. Mama's getting patient. They're right over there. I see them. I think Daddy see me. Matthias and Ezekiel can see me. But Daddy saw me already. Now he's happy. He's a mama. Did you see me, love? I can tell because it's Laura. And then, but Matthias and Ezekiel don't see me, huh? Yeah.
Yung kamot dong ay. Nahan kayong kahoy ba? You wanna put that in a wood stove? You're funny. He's getting all the Matthias po do. Kugi po pambali. Look at Daddy. There's woods na daw for our wood stove.
Oh, very good.
Ngulik siya na mong bata. Oh. Si Daddy. Balik up na po me. Up. Daddy, there's Ezekiel in there. See here, Dad. Wood for the wood stove. That's your sword, Ezekiel? Okay. Okay. Yay! Where are you guys? Oh, right there. Right here, look. Right in here.
Daddy,
Come on, next to Mama.
Here.
I got my dad.
You gotta show him in your picture. Your stick.
Oh, you should give it out in your shoulder. See, here's my stick.
Here's
Go
my
like that, Dad.
stick.
They go like this.
Here's my
Say,
stick.
here's my rocket stick.
My
Yay!
rocket
You do like this.
Yay!
Yay!
stick.
Okay. Retake na siya. Retake to because there's a sun. Yeah. Let's head back, guys. We're heading back now. Look at that. Because the sunshine is out, so I decide retake. Ayan siya. Kapoy baklay. Baklay ni Manang.
Black pigs running to and fro upon the long shingle banks that lay under the eastern shore. They seem very near. Here! Holding his...
pinasikreto nga pag-video ko. Nakikita sila agad. Manghunong. Nakapansin ako nga nanay kamera. Nudlo na po ka ba? Here me sa store, buy me milk. Tapos gamay ra mong milk gidala. Oh, careful, Ezekiel! Ezekiel, no! These are the camera. I love that laugh. Where's brother? Where's Apple Finger now? It's a ghost shark blanket.
No, I didn't buy a Garanda. Dad.
Boys, a little too loud.
Look at that. It's
Recreation center. Yeah. Oh, there's playground in there.
We need to join first we need to race from.
Gawas ng haring araw. No. There's people there or in the boat dock. Just chilling.
I see something. Right there.
Oh, what's that? The black thing. There's a black thing crawling.
Right?
Do you see it? No, right down there. Over there. It's a big one. No, no. Look. Look. Did you see it? Down there. Look.
Yes.
It's crawling.
Yes.
What was that?
That's a wallaby.
That's big.
What's that?
Go ask Daddy. See, Dad, what's that? There's something crawling. I don't know what's the name too. I know it's an animal.
It's a whelp. It's a whelp. A whelp. It's chewing. This daddy nasa sulod.
So here's the food for the boys. Daddy's making it. This is their food since they don't like buy rice, I guess, for now. So that's their food.
So look at that, guys. Nagraming sa manang paniod to. Og gano'n nagbaon og rice. Since walay dala nga painit. Since walay dala nga rice cooker, nagdala og baunan si manang. And binili naman sa store since like ko rin ng lemon bar. lemon streusel bar. Once man. That's for grown up. Good job. Kaon. Rice naman init na anak ko. Kaon. Paniudton man. Paniudto mga unta kalka girls. Kasi dadi prepare ko sa ilang food. Na pizza, sa to pizza bagels. Mga If you wanna eat ramen, you can eat ramen too. Okay. Mommy will be happy. We'll be enjoying this. Rice is life. Nagbaon. Nagbaon si Manang. You want noodles, Sikia? Lunch tagay. Di kan minag. Nag-walking sa Tonka State Park. So, gigutom si Manang. Wala lang may nag-grab o. Food, kaya na kami mga dala nga pagkaon. Daghan na gasto. Daghan na gasto. Nagbaon kay rice, no? Tapos, nagbaon man pamig mga uban. Rice and stuff. And then, bahala gabiin na mga gasto sa among food later. Ayan, mga ito guys. Kain-kain. Kain-kain. Manang. Oh, that's so good, Daddy. This is a spicy one. Spicy ramen. Yung dami oh. Ate man sa ihang mga bigoy. I guess if you put it all the pizza bites. Yep. Kain guys, kaon sa ko. Naghabay. Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.